Hello everyone, this is Sonali Singh, a student of Vasudev Memorial Girls Degree College, second year semester 4. The topic for my video presentation today is schools run by autonomous institutions of the central government. An autonomous body is one which has the sole right and power to establish their laws and code of conduct. These autonomous institutions are free from any external pressure and thus can act independently. In India, autonomous institutions are given the freedom to set up their own laws and code of conduct, but they should be in accordance with the constitution and the laws of the existing land. Autonomous institutions and colleges exercise independent control over their daily operations, syllabus, admission procedure, examination pattern, etc. They fall under the administrative head of DHE. There is a slight difference between autonomous colleges and autonomous institutes. Autonomous colleges are one which have their own laws and set of conduct, but they are affiliated with a certain university. They can have their own laws, their own examination pattern, admission procedures, etc. But at the end of completion of their course, they cannot offer a degree or a diploma. The final degree or diploma is provided by the university with which it is affiliated with, whereas autonomous institutions are deemed to be university-like and they enjoy full autonomy. They have their own admission process, examination pattern and everything. They have full independence. Sometimes they can even provide diploma, as in the IIMs. Some autonomous institutes have the right to give degrees even when they are not referred to as a university, like the IITs, IIITs, NITs and AIIMS. The salient features of an autonomous institutions are that they may or may not provide a degree. They have their own examination pattern. They have their own admission process. They have their own fee structure. They have their own syllabus. India also has a lot of autonomous institutions like the NVS or the Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, the KVS or the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, NCTE, National Council for Teacher Education, NCERT, that is the National Council for Educational Research and Training, the National Bal Bhavan, etc. Today we will talk about an autonomous institution, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. KVS or Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was founded in November 1962. It is one of the largest chain of schools with 3 schools abroad in Tehran, Kathmandu and Moscow. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan was established to provide uninterrupted education to the children of the central government employees as they had a transferable job. As of 2014, Uttar Pradesh tops the rank of maximum number of enrollment, whereas Delhi comes second. As of 2015, there are about 1099 functional schools of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan all over the globe. The Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan has been divided into 25 regions. There are a lot of features of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan that makes it an unprecedented school. No tuition fee is charged for boys up to class 12th. No tuition fee is charged for girls up to class 12th. And SC/SC candidates, SC/ST candidates and the children of KVS employees. The students of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan are divided into 4 houses: Shivaji, Raman, Ashoka and Tagore. Some features of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan are that they are affiliated to CBSE, that is the Central Board of Secondary Education. They use bilingual textbooks. They use bilingual medium and common textbook throughout the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. All institutions of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan are co-educational. No tuition fee is charged for boys up to class 12th and so on. Tuition fee is charged only for boys above class 9th. Sanskrit is taught till from 6th till 8th. German is an optional subject in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. The quality of teachers in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is kept reasonably high. This was my effort to throw a light on the schools run by autonomous institutions of the central government. Thank you so much.